Hey guys, it has been a great journey with you on YouTube the last 3 years. Our first track day in Onodura last season was really awesome and epic. Since then we can't get off this feeling and we wanted to get it again. So we bought 3 different race bikes and worked on them over the winter. The first bike is a Yamaha R6 from 2005. We designed a whole new race fairing and painted it by ourselves. We added some awesome stickers and the bike got a quick shifter as well, which is nice for such an old bike. The second bike is a Yamaha R6 from 2006. It was originally built for the R6 Cup. That's why it's got some epic parts on it, like shocks, suspension and rear set are from Öhlins, and the foot pegs are from Schill tooling. The third bike is a Kawasaki Ninja ZX-6 from 2003. Also equipped with a fully race fairing, a steering dampener, and we did a new design with some sticker work. We decided to mount the stock exhausts again, because of the strict dB regulations on some racetracks, especially in France. So why we are doing this? Actually, the answer is pretty easy. Last September we went to Onodura and it was so much fun. So we want to have this feeling again. We also want to become better riders. Because it's not the same to be fast on the street and fast on the track. We decided to buy 600cc bikes because we thought it makes a great starter bike and it's got way enough power for a rookie. At the moment we already booked a couple of different track days. The start will be in Brest in France, and later this season we will doing some other track days, especially in France and Italy. But don't worry guys, for those who are here for the MT10, we will do some epic stuff with this bike as well. We will go to Sardinia this year at the end of April, and we are doing some different tours in the northern part of Italy. But now we can't wait to start. We are so excited. Do you got any questions? Just ask them in the comments below. We will try to answer every single one. If you like this video, please leave us a like. And if you want to share the best moments on the racetrack together with us, please subscribe to this channel. We will see us on the racetrack soon.